Hey guys, welcome to Hawkeye Projects. Thought I'd just give you a little update into what we're doing today. Monday morning, sun's out, still chilly, but not too bad. So hopefully we'll have a great day. Just thought I'd take you into this little tiny Reno that we're doing in Box Hill. Just a 2-bedroom unit, and the owners are basically cleaning everything out at the moment. They're using one of our partners, the taxi box system to remove all of their furniture, and this company will take all their furniture away in a big taxi box. You know, you'll see one of the videos I just videoed. It's pretty cool. And then once they've cleaned all the stuff out, they'll bring the taxi box back again and put it back in the house. So it's a really cool way of getting a reno done and still keeping all your things safe. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, this particular one, we're just doing all it is we're just removing all the flooring. All the carpet's going to come here out of here. It's very, very old and in bad need of some attention. So we're going to bring the boys in and rip all this carpet out. It's a slab floor. The slab seems fairly flat, which is good. There won't be much self-leveling to do, but if it is required, then we'll do it. And then we're going to lay what they call a hybrid floor, and it's an 8mm, and it's a stone-based compound. It's quite flexible. It's waterproof, it's scratch-proof, and it looks awesome. And, you know, when it comes to all the engineered floors and all the stuff that comes out of China and all this stuff that comes from all the different parts of the world, this stuff here is Aussie made for one and supports jobs here in Australia. And that's what we need to start doing now is supporting our own and putting some work back into this country. So that's what we're doing. We want to support local jobs and get industry happening back into our country. So we're starting on this job. So yeah, it's called hybrid flooring, and if you guys if you want to know more about it, give me a call. I'm more than happy to give you the lowdown on it. But it's awesome stuff. We'll probably set this particular flooring as a standard in our business in all of our designs. So yeah, I'll take some happy snaps when we're done and take another video and go from there. Have a good day.